Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. If you're looking to convert liters to milliliters but aren't quite sure how to do it, don't worry. You're in the right place, and it's a lot simpler than you might think. Today, we're going to walk you through this conversion process step by step, complete with examples to ensure you get the hang of it in no time. Before we dive in, let's understand our units. A liter is the basic unit of volume in the metric system, commonly used to measure liquids. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. That's right. The milli prefix means thousandth, so a milliliter is 1,000th of a liter. So, to convert liters to milliliters, all you need to do is multiply the number of liters by 1,000. Let's go through an example together. Imagine you have a bottle of soda that contains 2 liters of liquid. To find out how many milliliters that is, we multiply 2 liters by 1,000. That gives us 2,000 milliliters. It's as straightforward as that. Now, let's try a slightly different scenario. Suppose you're cooking and the recipe calls for 1.5 liters of water. How many milliliters would that be? Again, we take our 1.5 liters and multiply by 1,000, which equals 1,500 milliliters. There you have it. Converting liters to milliliters is easy once you remember the magic number, 1,000. A little practice, and you'll be converting these units of measurement like a seasoned pro. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions for more handy conversion tips and tricks. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy measuring!